Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my African black soap body wash. I use only natural ingredients in making this body wash, and it has helped my skin so much with hyperpigmentation and clearing dark spots. I've been using this consistently now for about 3 months, and I must tell you that my skin has really improved. My skin always feels so smooth, moisturized, and really soft after I use this. Here's a list of things I used to make this. So to start, I begin by cutting my black soap into smaller pieces. When you get the raw African black soap, it comes in a solid shape, like it's like a block kind of, and so I begin to cut it into smaller pieces. I find that it's easier for me to work with it when I cut them like this, and so I begin to chop it as small as I get, and this takes all of, I'll say, 5 minutes. It's not so difficult to do. Okay, let's speed this up a little bit. I'll continue to chop them until there are no more blocks left. Then I proceed to put my black soap in a bowl, and I add my shea butter, coconut oil, the avocado oil, and then I put a cup of boiling water. The next thing I do is I get a spatula, but you can use a wooden spoon if you like. All I'm trying to do at this point is melt and dissolve my shea butter, the avocado oils, and the black soap in the water. I continue to mix this for a few minutes. I try to cut them into smaller pieces again in the water, because when the black soap is added to water, it kind of clumps up together, and I try to use my spatula as a knife, and I just keep trying to cut it in the water. I try to melt my oils, and this process is going to continue for a few more minutes. If you like this video so far, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. This is what the mixture would look like when all of its content has been fully dissolved. You don't want to have any residues at the bottom. The next thing I do is I get some turmeric powder and I add that to my mixture. Turmeric is really good for our skin. It has anti-inflammatory qualities that helps to calm our skin and target our pores. You see how beautiful that color is now? It's so vibrant now. I'll mix that because I don't want any residues while I'm taking my bath. I'll mix that for a bit, and then the next thing I want to do is I'll get my lemon oil. Lemon oil is so good for the skin, guys. It helps to nourish and cleanse and detoxifies our skin. I'll be adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to the mixture. The next thing I do is I go in with the sweet orange essential oil, which has vitamin C in it that helps to reduce dark spots and blemishes. It also has antibacterial properties and helps boost circulation in our skin. So I'll be adding a few drops of that as well because we need that goodness, okay? Then we go in with lavender oil. Lavender smells so great, guys. I really love the smell. But most importantly, lavender oil is full of antioxidants that helps to protect our skin from free radicals. It also helps with hyperpigmentation. And when you add coconut oil and lavender oil, it serves as a great moisturizer. That's why I always add it to my body wash, because it doesn't leave my skin dry. Just when I'm out of the shower, I still feel moisturized. I'll continue to mix everything to ensure that the essential oils has been fully incorporated, and that's it. Our body wash is ready. The next thing we have to do now is to store it, and you want to store your body wash in an airtight container. Okay, you can use anything you have available to you, but I'll be using a soap dispenser to store this because it's just easy for me to get out body wash when I'm taking my bath. But let's just acknowledge how great and vibrant this color is. This is how natural African black soap looks. It gives you a rich, earthy brown color, not charcoal black, guys. The charcoal black African black soap that you buy in the stores or wherever have been heavily processed. Now we just need a little bit to test. Can you see how that lathers? A little bit goes a long way. And just look at that. Look at that. See, it lathers so well. Let's also see how well it lathers when you use a sponge. You want to make sure that your sponge is really wet. And then remember that just a little bit of this body wash goes a long way. I'll just be using a few pumps of the soap, and you'll see that it lathers so well. Just look at that. Can you see? Can you see how nice, and just like it foams up really quickly? You don't have to do too much, and it's just great and nice for your body, and it smells good too. Now your skin will feel so smooth and soft, and can you see that there's even a little bit of shine, but then it's not oily. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel.